Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome back. We're looking in this video at our second question, question A2 on the 2017 senior paper that we started last time. In the diagram, ABCD is a square with side length 8 centimeters. Point E is on AB and F is on DC, so that triangle AEF is right angled at E. Okay. If the area of AEF is 30% of the area of ABCD, what is the length of AE? Okay, let's draw a picture here. But because we've got a nice little right angle here, and because we're looking at squares, we can actually see that this shape over here is a rectangle. And as a result, since the side length is 8, we can see that the height, I guess you have to think of the triangle as having its height this way, pointing down, it must also be 8. Now, we don't know what AE is, but that's what we're asked to find. Right? So let's call that x. And that way, when we've solved for x, we've got our answer. Now, what do we know about this triangle? Well, we know its base is this thing we're calling x. Its height is 8. So the area of AEF is 1/2 8 times x, or 4x. Now, why am I doing this? Why do I bother? Why do we care about this height here? Well, the only other thing that we are told in the question is that this area of the triangle is 30% the area of the whole square, which it's an 8 by 8 square, is 64. Okay, so 30% or 3/10 of 8 squared is 8 squared 64. Okay, so this gives us a nice way that we can work out 4x. Well, we can work out x because 4x is the area of the triangle, but we have the area of the triangle is 3/10 64. Now, if we divide both sides by 4, we get x is 3, 10, 64 divided by 4 is 16. I'm going to multiply the 3 and the 16 to get 48 over 10. Divide top and bottom by 2, and we'll get 24/5. Okay, so x must be 24/5 in order to have the triangle have 30% the area of the full square. Okay, you can draw a picture, you can show the work here, but as I've mentioned, and we'll probably continue to mention the A part questions, we just need that final answer. But if we had screwed up and maybe said 26 over 5, having all this work here means that we could probably earn 4 of the 5 marks, even if our final answer was technically incorrect. As long as most of the work's there, you can get part marks. And this is why it is good to, even in the Part A questions, write a little something down, even if you just show your most basic rough work calculations. Sometimes, in the right situation, it can save you some marks. Okay? So, in the next video, we're going to predictably take a look at A3. So I'll see you for that next time.